The ovulation process is the release of a mature egg from the ovary. This process occurs in the middle of the menstrual cycle and is controlled by hormones. The process begins with the release of a hormone called follicle stimulating hormone, FSH, from the pituitary gland. This hormone stimulates the growth of follicles, which are tiny sacs in the ovary that contain the egg. As the follicles grow, estrogen is released, which signals the pituitary gland to release luteinizing hormone, LH. LH causes the follicle to rupture, releasing the mature egg. The egg then travels down the fallopian tube, where it can be fertilized by sperm, if intercourse has taken place. If fertilization does not occur, the egg will break down and be shed during the next menstrual period. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, comment, subscribe and click the bell icon to get new video updates.